In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to find Roblox process KRNL Injector. So first thing you want to do is go here and type in Roblox player. So right click, open file location, then right click and then open file location again. So what you're going to try is to completely uninstall the Roblox player. So when you uninstall the player, it will automatically reinstall the next time you run a game. So you can do this by just going here. Let me just go back. So you can do this just by completely just deleting all of these folders. So if you delete these and then just exit, and then now if you open another game, if you open a game in Roblox, so let's go to home and just run any game, and the next time you open a game it will automatically install, and this should fix your issue.